How to change your Pinterest profile to business account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To change your Pinterest account into business account, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Pinterest app. Now here on bottom of your screen, you will find different navigation options. So on bottom right hand side, you will find this saved icon. So tap on it. Now on top left hand side of your screen, you will find your profile icon. So tap on it. Now on top of your screen, you will find this option account management. So tap on it. Now here on middle of your screen, you will find this option convert to a business account. So tap on it. Again tap on convert account. Now enter your profile name. So type the name of your business and then tap on next. Now enter the link of your website. If your business have a website or if you want to add any social media links, then simply enter here and then tap on next. And if you don't want to add it, simply tap on no website yet. Now select the category of your business. So simply select whatever you want and then tap on next. Now you will see this question, would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? So simply select whatever option that suits for you and then tap on next. And as soon as you do this, your account will be successfully converted into business account. So this is all you need to do to convert your account into business account on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.